question to start. Now, do you all remember what are imperative sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
What are imperative
Ma'am, command or
sentences?
request.
Commands, request, or suggestion.
Correct. So advice, suggestion, command, request, order. These are all your imperative sentences. Now, when you talk about imperative sentences, just imagine you are at home. Your mother says, open the door or close the door. Whom is she talking to? If she says close the door, whom is she telling?
Ma'am, us.
You,
And
right?
Ma'am, us.
Yeah, she's telling you. So if you have sentences like please come here, close the door, open the door, that means you is your hidden subject. The subject is you. It is self-explanatory that you is the subject. Now, whenever you have advice, suggestion, or request, any of these three things, only advice, suggestion, or request, then you change your passive to simple thing. If it's like please, that means you're requesting. So you are requested to come here. Okay. Like the second example, walk slowly. Now this is an advice. So simple, you are advised to walk slowly. So whatever the thing is, as per a advice or whether it's a request or a suggestion, you write exactly the same thing. You are suggested to walk slowly. You're advised to walk slowly. You're requested to come here. Okay, you're kindly requested to close the door. So whatever is the thing, whatever it is you're doing, you're making a request, you will use requested. If you're advising, you will use advised. If you're suggesting, you will use suggested. But if you have command, for example, this one, close the window. Now this is a command. Over here, you will write your sentences beginning with let. You will write let, your object is there, the window. Then you have be. Wherever you have let, you have to use be. And verb's third form of close, closed. So for sentences with let, for sentences beginning with let, in active voice, in passive also they will be with let. The only thing that you have to remember is to add be to it. So let me teach the students. The object says let's the students. So let the object the students be taught by me. It is the same way that we used to do. For commands, I have told you we use let. Now, if you have let him book the tickets, tell me. Let him book the tickets. What do you think will be the answer? It begins with let only. Let
the ticket be booked by him.
be booked by him. Right?
Ma'am,
Is it clear?
your screen is not shared.
It is, beta. It is shared.
I'm shared.
It is
It is shared. Aryan, beta. Check your network, beta. It is shared. So is it clear? Let the tickets be booked by him. Is it clear now?
yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay.
Yes.
Tell me about this one.
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
them do this. Let them do this work.
Let this work be done by them.
Very good. Very good. Let this work be done by them. Just remember you have to use be. And in the same way you're going to do for the commands also. Like this one. Complete your work. What will be? Now this is a command. So how you're going to write with let?
Let this work be
Ma'am,
done by
let the
you.
work be completed by you.
Okay, it's not this money, it is yours. So let your work be completed. You can write by you, it is automatically understood, or if you don't write, both the ways are correct. So let your work be completed by you, or you can directly write, let your work be completed. You don't have to mention you because it is understood that we are talking to you only. So both the answers are correct. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Okay, ma'am. One last one. Let him switch off all the fans.
Let all the fans be switched by him.
Let all the fans switch the
Let all the fans be switched off by him.
Yes, by him, switched off. So let all the fans be switched off by him. So is it clear the imperative?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when you have the words like advise or suggestion, should or must can be used. For request, you can use may, like take medicines at regular timings. Now this is an advice. So you can either write your advice to take medicines or regular timings, or you can say you should take the medicines at regular timing. And if you're giving a command, then let the medicines be taken by you at regular timings. Call the police. Now this is a command. Let the police be called by you. Even if you don't write by you, then also it is correct. So I hope you've all understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, good.